Guys, welcome to another Saturday meal. This time we are going to use the slow cooker. Ding ding, home ec is in 101 on roast. Alright, I've already did videos on roast, but this time Remac excuse me, had inspired me to make kind of like a hoagie roll. Yeah, and it looks so delish. So this is my take on the kind of like the Arby's roast beef, but this time it's going to be the shredded roast beef with the juice, and I think they call it au jus juice. So it's going to be Carliss juice. How about that? Alright, so at the beginning of the video you saw all the ingredients and wasn't much, was it? Alright, let's get started. So guys, you know when you go to the store, you get a roast, this is how it's looking. They're awfully small. So I usually get 2 in the pack if I already cooked 1. So what I usually, when you want to know why it's red, right? What I usually do is I season my roast prior of putting it in the freezer. And I'm using my chicken rub. So I season my roast, let it marinate, and this is how it looks. Alright, it's all marinated, and I got some bacon grease in here, and I'm just going to sear this up, because I like to sear mine before I put it in the slow cooker. Hold on guys, let me wash my hands. Okay. Alright. So that's what I like to do. I like to sear it first. And it smells good already, and they haven't even been here in a minute. So you just kind of want it to get a little kind of crispy, but not crispy because I don't have flour on this. So, like I said, yeah, I'm not a big fan of flour on all meat. I'm going to lift it up for just a little bit to see how it's looking. See that? That's the way you want it to look. Quick and easy, and I'm putting it in the slow cooker for about either 4 to 6 or 8 hours. Now I could have put this on last night as Miss Smarty Pants tried to get me to do, but I felt that you guys would miss that step, even though it's a very easy, simple step. But I wanted to share it with you because this is Home Ec 101. First thing you always want to do is wash your hands. That's the first thing. Gather all your ingredients first, okay? So you won't go back and like, oh, did I miss this? Did I miss that? And you people, please take notes. And the reason why that I don't list my ingredients, because I'm telling you my ingredients and how much I use. And also it goes into a cookbook. Alright, so you want to try to see if you could just stand it up. Let that side cook a little bit. See how that looks? And don't worry trying to get it on all sides, because it is going to go in the slow cooker. For me, this seals in the juices. I don't see how it seals in the juices, but it does. And the reason why I say I don't see how, because I'm stabbing a fork in it. Alright, I'm going to turn this off, so basically this is just about done here. And let me go ahead and put this into the slow cooker. This is just the pot of the slow cooker. Hope you guys, let me see if I can zoom you. There you go. Alright. So I'll put it right here in the slow cooker. Alright. The pot anyway. So, get this out the way. Here, I have one big whole onion sliced, and I have like 3 jalapenos. Like I said, we like it spicy. So we're just gonna put the onions and stuff over here. Try to break them apart if you can. Okay. Now you could put garlic in here, but I have garlic in my chicken rub. But it don't hurt to add extra garlic, no does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Put that in the trash. And I'm going to add me some black pepper. Black pepper. And I said that's about a tablespoon. Alright. Then I'm going to put this. No, I'm not. Where'd it go? Here's my water. Let me see if I can move this out the way. Okay. Can you guys see me now? Alright. Here I have 4 cups of water right here. And I have Better Than Bouillon, beef based. Okay? Because you want that beefy flavor. I'm going to use about this much. I would say this is probably more like 4 tablespoons to 4 cups of water. And I think in the end you might end up adding more juice, more beef base. And you want to keep stirring it up till it's all mixed in. Alright, I think I'm going to add another one. It says maybe about 5 tablespoons. Alright, we're going to stir it up. Hope you guys are taking notes. And if you are taking notes, leave your comment in the comment box and let me know that you are taking notes and what you learnt from it. You're going to learn today. You are going to learn today. You don't come to my class without learning nothing. You'll learn how to boil water, make it taste good. Alright, so we're going to take this and let me put this in this. And bring this back over. And we're just going to pour it. And if it all doesn't mix, don't sweat the dumb stuff. It'll mix when you go in there and stir it. Alright. So, I am going to put this on high and I'm going to put it on 6 hours. So I'll see you guys in 6 hours. and we'll do
Okay,
next
guys,
step. I'm back. It's 4 hours. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Let me get a fork. See the onions and stuff here? And I taste it, and it tastes good. You see that? Right there? Now I'm not going to shred this up yet because you see all that grease. I call it grease. I wish I had one of those skimmer things or whatever you call them things. I'm trying to skim majority of this off. I'm not going to be able to get all of it off, but I do want to use some of the juice. Yeah. Okay, this is going to be a process. Or you end up doing what I'm getting ready to do. Is take some of that better than bouillon beef and mix it up. Put some of this flavor in there and you got it. Okay guys, so I went to try to take all the oil off of there, and this is what I came up with. See the juice? What they call it, au jus, beef broth, mainly what it is. Okay. Alright, so you really want to try to take all that oil off the top. This roast was a little fatty. So what I'm doing is just take 2 forks and just shred it up. You could leave the fat out if you want to, but why? It gives it flavor. So you just want to shred it up as much as you can. Take 2 forks, and I know some of you guys' teeth are cringing because me scraping the bottom. Try not to anyway. See? That's all you want to do. Alright, I'm not going to sit here and let you see me keep shredding this up, but you get the gist. Just shred it up. Or you can let it cool off and do your hands. Or I've heard some people put it in the mixer, but I don't know why. It's doing too much. Alright guys, I'll be back when I get this shredded. So, I'm back. I got it all shredded. Here I have the hoagie rolls. I put some butter on it and I put it in the oven. And I'm taking 1 slice of the provolone. I cut it down in the middle to have half moons. Now I'm going to take some of that mixture and I'm just going to put it on here. However much you want. Okay. And then you're going to take the other half moons and you're just going to put it on top. Look, I need a little more. A little more right here. Okay. Do it that way. Smells good, tastes good. With that chicken rub on there that I let to marinate on the roast. Do another one. Juice is good. Put that on top. You could put bell peppers, mushroom, whatever you want to put on your so-called Arby's. Put it like that. Let them stay together here. And then we're going to put it in the oven and I will be back with the finish. So here it is. Here is my Arby's roast beef, but mine is shredded. I put the provolone on there. Don't it look good? I made the sauce, well, the au jus from the beef. You will have to strain some of that oil off of there. Now, if you don't want to dip, you can't take it and just pour it over there. Just pour it over if you want. If you don't want to dip. See? Actually, that's good for me. Alright guys, so I made it with my chicken rub here. Right there. You can get it at www.carlissspices.com. Okay? That's where you can get this at. Like I said, with all my meat, especially when I get a lot of meat, I'll turn around and marinate it with the chicken rub and wrap it up and put it in the freezer so when I want it, it's good and seasoned. So, here we go, guys. Here we go. I need one of them turnaround thingies. What's it called? A thingy. Turn around thingy. Yeah, whatever it's called. So here you go, guys. And I was inspired by Ray Mack Kitchen and Grill because he was eating one and it's like, oh my God, that looks so good. So like I said, you can put mushroom on top. You can do whatever you want to do. It's your stuff. Alright guys, so give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you know when I am on. When you know school is in. Ding ding. Hope you took notes. Let me know that you did. Leave it in the comments section. So as I always say, life don't have to be beautiful to be perfect. Nor does it have to be perfect to be loved. I always will love you. I'll see you guys next Saturday.